Review. This is just for extra help if you want to look back and get a little assistance on your review sheet over the weekend. Please keep in mind there are 5 videos that cover this entire review. This video only covers the first 5 problems. So let's start out with number 1. We're asked to solve the equation. Very simply, we're going to subtract 12 from both sides of our equation. Sorry, you're going to have to forgive me. It's been a while since I've used the Mimeo, so I'm a little off right now. You're left with, our 12s cancel out. You're left with r equals, wow, I'm really off, -9. R equals -9. Keep in mind that does check, because if you plug in -9 in place of r right here, 12 plus -9 equals 3. So it does check. Alright, on to number 2. These are the easy ones here at the beginning. So once again, we want to isolate x. Let's get rid of this -2/5. Some of you might prefer to, wow, this mimeopad is very sensitive. Some of you might prefer to write this as plus a -2/5. Okay? Sorry, give me a second here. This is really, really sensitive. Like I said, some of you might prefer to do this as -2/5, plus a -2/5. All you have to do is add 2/5 to both sides. Wow. To both sides. I'm going to get a different pen after this one, guys. I'm sorry. The 2/5 cancel out. 2/5 and -2/5 cancel out. So you have 1/5 plus 2/5. On the left-hand side, you have 3/5 is equal to x. Once again, if you don't believe me, that will check. I'd let you check on your own, though. Down on to number 3, please add 7 to both sides. Add 7 to both sides. Therefore, our -7 and our +7 cancel out, and we are left with p equals -5. Okay, this is a quick video, folks. This isn't too bad. Okay, to solve for b, we want to divide by -7. That is -7 times b. So to undo that multiplication, you must divide. And of course, we have to do that on both sides of the equation. So we are left with 1b, or just b. Negative divided by negative is a positive. So b equals 5. Piece of cake. Lastly, number 5, folks. If we want to eliminate this denominator here, this is division, n divided by 6, or -n divided by 6. If we want to eliminate that denominator, we must multiply by 6. However, this is a negative fraction, so I'd rather multiply by a negative number so that that negative sign goes away. So I'm going to multiply both sides by -6. Wow. So -6 times 31 is -186. And on the right-hand side, if you remember, this is like -6 over 1. So if these two fractions are multiplied together, our -6 here cross cancels with this -6, and you're left with n over 1, or just n. N is equal to -186. I apologize for the pen, guys. I will try to get this fixed for the next video.